Sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of each and validated. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all others. Respect and teach everyone with courtesy to my country and my people.
Brought to you by Serbians of Grade-VII Topaz. I am Sri Charan, here to tell international and national news. International news. At least 400 people killed and 250 members injured in Pakistan. Strike on Afghanistan. Hospitality transferring user drugs. National news. Rajya Sabha polls.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by B. Virendra Kumar from Grade-VII Topaz. State news. Bengaluru men's rocket draws attention amid LPG crisis. Sport news. Winning the T20 World Cup.
Ranjit from Grade-VII Topaz. Here I brought you weather forecast. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. And precipitation 55%. Humidity 33%. And wind speed is equal to 11.
Words on the day of Grade-VII Topaz brought you today's word. Coefficient, meaning a number multiplied by a variable. Friends, please spell after me. Coefficient. COE. FFI. CI. ENT. Coefficient. Brought to you by K. Kumar from Grade-VII Topaz. Today's thought is mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe. I will repeat it again. Mathematics is the universe with.
Brought to you by Trikanta from Grade-VII Topaz. Question for Grade-VII. What is the square root of 529?
23.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 23. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100?
25.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 25. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. Which number lies between perfect square and perfect cube? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 26. Let us all appreciate them. Open question for all. What is the sum of interior angles in a triangle?
180.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 180. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 2. Which country invented zero?
India.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is India. Let us all appreciate them. Open question number 3. What is the 25% of 25?
5.
Sorry, you picked the wrong answer, and the answer is 6.25. Thank you.
I am D. Harshvardhan from Grade-VII Topaz, here to speak about the topic on mathematics, often called as language of universe. Some members feel that math is tough, but the truth, it becomes easy when we practice regularly and understand the concepts regularly. Math needs practice and patience. It helps us to build confidence, and it helps us to face challenges without fear. In conclusion, math also opens doors to many careers like engineering, business, and knowledge. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Yes, a cheerful morning, everyone. I am Bhavana, and here is my friend Sirvenela. We are going to do a conversation on value of time. Sirvenela, do you know every day all of us get 24 hours, nothing less, nothing more. Now it is up to us how we use it. Absolutely, Bhavana. The people who know how to make the best use of every moment easily opens the door of success. It's true that a person who misuses time gets failures one after the other. There is saying that spent time, spent words, never come back again. Just as falling off rain after the crops has dried, up no use, that's the deadline. You are right, Sirvenela, that a person who wastes little bit of time loses wonderful opportunities.
Bhavna, do you know one thing? If you lose your money, you can earn it back. But once if you lose your time, it's gone forever.
And finally, money and power are like fruits of a tree, but time is like roots of a tree. If there is no roots, there is no plant. If there is no plant, there is no plants. So friends, let us all not waste time, because time will not wait for us.
Thank you.
Have a tremendous nice day.